Okay, the importance of doing 108 Surya Namaskara every month. In India Yoga we call Surya Namaskara Marathon. This is designed to make sure we are still fit. If you are a regular practitioner, checking your fitness level once in a month. In India Yoga we are doing this since 1998 and regularly and consistently. See, each of us, we do our own sequencing as a warm-up. But Surya Namaskara is a lot beyond a warm-up exercise. When you study, there are great people are explaining so much about it. But one thing you always remember, the combination. My entire studies brought me to this variation of Surya Namaskara particularly. There's every little thing what we do, it connects from toes to the head, every little part of our body and enhances our energy spots beautifully. At the same time, it is one of the powerful practice to release our ignorance. When you are consistently with the mantra, when we chant mantra and do the practice, we become meditative and those ignorance will be relieved beautifully through. The 108 Surya Namaskara or Surya Namaskara Marathon, you should not be jumped suddenly into it. One has to be practiced at least a whole month, at least 12 rounds of Surya Namaskara every day. If you practice every day 12 rounds of Surya Namaskara, your body is well prepared. That will normally makes very easy for you to perform and you can see, okay, your technique is right, your alignment is right, your breathing coordination is right. That all set into this 108 Surya Namaskara. If anything is not right, your technique is not right, your breath is not coordinated. Your breath is not coordinated, you get exhausted. Your technique is not right, in case you are putting constantly pressure on one knee, you can see the knee feels painful or stiff after the practice. And it becomes meditation, dynamic meditation. And that will keeps you well balanced physically, mentally, emotionally and raises up into spiritually. Now, you all know why we have to do Surya Namaskara, why we started this process. We welcoming you to join every month, the last Saturday with us online or offline. Offline in Mysore, online worldwide. It's a morning 7 o'clock till 8 o'clock of IST we is doing it. Please join us and if you are not able to join, at least practice and update your practice on the YouTube and link us.